Okay, ready?
Hey guys, this is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm sure you've all heard about it and what's going on all over videos, all over YouTube, Facebook. Well, this is our turn. We want to thank Pete Frady for starting this thing. Brother, we hope you heal well. Hope they find a cure. Good luck. God bless. My name is Chris Kraft. I was challenged by my wife, Juliana, and I'd like to call out and challenge Elijah Cade, my firstborn, John Hudson Kraft, my pastor, John Reed, and my first cousin, Bob Armstrong.
My name is Juliana Kraft, and I was challenged by Jillian Wisely. And I want to challenge my two brothers, Alex Johnson, Carter Fulgham, and I want to challenge Suzanne Russell.
I am so stinking scared, but I was challenged by my dad.
Who are you?
My name is Kate. I was challenged by my dad, and I want to challenge Billy, Christian, and Joseph Shields.
I'm Bob Armstrong. I was challenged by my cousin, Chris. I'm going to challenge Philip, Jessica, Stacy, and Rachel that I work with.
My name's Johnny Kraft, and I was challenged by Jeff York, and I want to challenge my children, Allie, Kate, and Will Kraft. Go for it.
Breathe in. Here we go. Breathe.
Go!